Imagine spending $90,000 on your dream luxury car, soft leather, glowing ambient lights, the smell of new German engineering, and the confidence that you've just bought a machine built to last a decade or more. Now, imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside, and finding that same masterpiece sitting dead, broken, and worth less than a used lawnmower. What would you do? Who would you blame? And how does a premium machine engineered by one of the world's most respected brands collapse into a $4,000 disaster overnight? Today's documentary uncovers one of the most shocking automotive horror stories ever faced by a Mercedes owner. Stay with us because by the end of this film, you'll never look at luxury reliability the same way again. When the owner first walked into the Mercedes dealership, he was dazzled. The polished showroom floors reflected the glistening body of a nearly brand new Mercedes, sleek, powerful, and sold as a symbol of success and engineering perfection. The salesman spoke with poetic confidence about German craftsmanship, advanced electronics, unmatched comfort, and most importantly, Mercedes reliability. For decades, the brand had built its empire on prestige, performance, and the belief that their cars represented the absolute top-tier standard of quality. This particular model, priced at just over $90,000, was supposed to be the dream sedan for any modern driver. It came with cutting-edge driving tech, a turbocharged engine, high-resolution screens everywhere you looked, and a long list of luxury features that seemed impossible to resist. It wasn't just a car, it was a lifestyle upgrade. The nightmare began subtly, so subtle that most owners would shrug it off. A small warning light flickered on the dashboard, auxiliary battery malfunction. It seemed harmless. A quick Google search suggested that this was a common, inexpensive fix. Some owners even reported driving months without addressing it. The car still drove fine, the engine sounded healthy, and nothing appeared truly wrong. But what the owner didn't know is that this tiny warning light would snowball into catastrophic electrical failure. Modern Mercedes vehicles rely heavily on complex electronics. The auxiliary battery powers many of the car's control units, sensors, and computer modules. When it begins to fail, those modules can behave unpredictably, causing a chain reaction no mechanic can easily detect. Still, the dealership brushed it off as a routine issue. "You can drive home, it's nothing urgent," they said. Within weeks, the owner started noticing strange behavior. The steering would randomly stiffen for a second, the radio would shut off, the interior lights flickered like a haunted house. Sometimes the car wouldn't unlock using the keyless entry. But every time he took it to the dealership, the answer was the same. "We can't replicate the issue." This response is painfully common among modern luxury car owners. With electronics more advanced than some airplanes, diagnosing intermittent faults is nearly impossible without complete system failure. And that's exactly what eventually happened. After towing the car to Mercedes service, the owner waited anxiously for the diagnostic results. He hoped for a fuse issue, maybe a module problem, something small. Instead, he was told the most chilling words any car owner can hear. "Your vehicle has suffered complete electrical system failure." Mercedes technicians discovered that multiple modules had burnt out simultaneously. The main wiring harness was compromised. The ECU, transmission control unit, and front SAM module were all either corrupted or shorted. Even the sensors that controlled essential functions were fried. The estimate over $14,000 in repairs, and that was just to start. The dealership explained that the auxiliary battery malfunction wasn't harmless at all. It had caused voltage surges throughout the system. These surges traveled through the wiring like electrical poison, damaging components one by one. Because everything in the modern Mercedes is interconnected, one module failure can infect others like a digital virus. The owner protested. Surely a car this expensive shouldn't collapse from a simple battery issue. Surely Mercedes would take responsibility. But the next blow was even harder. "Sorry, this isn't covered under warranty." The car was nearly worthless unless repaired, and the owner was now trapped in an automotive nightmare with no clear escape. Once the owner realized the repairs were unaffordable, he asked for other options. Could Mercedes buy the car back, offer goodwill coverage, reduce the parts cost, provide a courtesy replacement? The answer to each question was a cold no, so he attempted to sell the car as is. That's when the harsh reality hit him. Mechanic shops refused to pay more than $2,000 to $4,000 for the luxury sedan, because the moment a Mercedes suffers electrical system failure, it becomes a parts car. The cost to repair exceeds the value of the vehicle. Most buyers would rather purchase a running used car than invest in an electronic disaster. A $90,000 dream had transformed into a $4,000 pile of expensive, scrap metal. It wasn't just a financial loss, it was a psychological one. Digging deeper revealed a shocking pattern. This wasn't an isolated case. Across online forums, YouTube videos, Reddit threads, Facebook groups, and consumer complaint sites, countless Mercedes owners reported the same nightmare models from the last decade, especially those with advanced electronics, were suffering from failing auxiliary batteries, burnt wiring harnesses, water intrusion near the ECU, corrupted SAM modules, dead sensors triggering chain reaction failures, random electrical shutdowns while driving, multi-module collapse costing $10,000 to $20,000. What owners realized is simple: modern luxury cars rely on fragile, overly complex electrical systems. While impressive on paper, these systems are vulnerable. Luxury brands love showcasing innovation, more screens, more sensors, more technology, but honestly, each improvement creates more points of failure. Mercedes, in its push to stay ahead in luxury tech, built cars that were no longer simple machines. They became rolling computers. The problem is, computers need clean, stable electricity. Cars don't always provide that. Even a slight dip in voltage, a spike, a short, or a software glitch can send chaos through the entire system. Yet many Mercedes models route dozens of essential components through just a few modules. If one fails, others follow. It's a domino effect. What makes this case so infuriating is that the owner wasn't careless. He didn't ignore maintenance, he didn't modify the vehicle, he didn't skip oil changes, he followed every instruction and visited the dealership regularly. He trusted Mercedes professionals. Yet, none of it mattered. In fact, when he first reported the warning light, he did exactly what Mercedes tells customers to do: bring the vehicle in. But he was told it wasn't urgent, he was told it wasn't dangerous, he was told to just keep driving. That advice sealed the fate of the car. By the time the electrical failure became visible, the system had already suffered irreversible damage. A $150 battery caused a $14,000 meltdown. And even worse, Mercedes still refused to accept responsibility even though their own technicians had dismissed the issue early on. The customer's story exposes a flaw not just in engineering but in the customer service pipeline, a pipeline where small problems are dismissed until they become catastrophic, and when catastrophe strikes, the company walks away. We've all heard that luxury cars depreciate fast, but honestly, the truth is deeper than that. Most buyers think it's because these cars become old or new models come out every few years, but in reality, the real cause of extreme depreciation is fear. Fear of repair costs, fear of electrical failure, fear of out-of-warranty disasters. A used luxury car is, well, kind of like a ticking time bomb for many buyers. They know that just one major issue can financially ruin them. Behind the scenes, luxury brands fiercely protect their image. They know that admitting flaws damages trust, sales, and stock value. So, instead of open transparency, they rely on carefully crafted marketing. They talk about performance, innovation, safety, comfort. But avoid mentioning the Achilles heel of their newest models: extreme electronic fragility. Instead, luxury brands rely on image. An image so strong that buyers ignore red flags until it's honestly just too late. The story of the $90,000 Mercedes that turned into a $4,000 disaster overnight is more than just a cautionary tale. It's a wake-up call. As cars become more advanced, more digital, and more complex, their vulnerability skyrockets. One small issue can snowball into a catastrophe no owner is really prepared for. This isn't just about Mercedes. It's about the entire luxury car industry and how easily the dream they sell can turn into a nightmare they never warn you about. If you're thinking of buying a high-end vehicle, remember this story. Remember the owner who did everything right and still lost everything. And remember that behind the glowing badge on the hood lies a machine that can fail just as easily, if not more easily, than a car worth a fraction of the price. If you found this investigation eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more real automotive documentaries, and share this video with anyone thinking about buying a luxury car. You might just save them from a financial disaster. And hey, if you have your own car nightmare story, drop it in the comments below. We might feature it in the next documentary.